Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 24 of chapter 8 section 3. The masses Mi are located at the points Pi. Find the moments Mx and My and the center of mass of the system. M1 equal to 5, M2 equal to 4, M3 equal to 3 and M4 equal to 6. Points P1 are negative 4, 3, P2 0, 5, P3 3, 1 and P4 1, negative 2. Moments about the x-axis is m sub x, which is equal to sigma mi yi by the formula. Here there are the 4 masses are there, so I runs from 1 through 4. So yi denotes the y coordinates of the point, mi denote the masses. So we have to multiply each mass with the corresponding y coordinate. So mass m1, so which will be 5 times the corresponding y coordinate 3. Mass m2, 4, its y coordinate is 5, the second y coordinate is 5. Mass m3, that is 3 times the y coordinate of p3, which is 1. Then 6 times y coordinate of point 4, which is negative 2. This will give us 26. Same way we have to find out the moment about the y-axis. Moment about the y-axis. That is m sub y, which is sigma mi xi. Now we are going to multiply each mass by its x coordinate of the corresponding points. So mass 5 multiplied by the x coordinate negative 4, mass m2, which is 4, multiplied by the x coordinate of p2, then mass m3 multiplied by the x coordinate of p3, then mass m4 multiplied by the x coordinate of p4. So if you compute that, this is going to give us negative 5. It's also asking in the problem the center of mass. The center of mass by the formula is x bar y bar, that's the way we denote the center of mass, which is moment about the y-axis over m, moment about the x-axis over the total mass. So m denotes the total mass. So we are going to find out what this m is, which is sigma of mi, I varying from 1 to 4. So which is the sum of the masses, which is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. That will be an 18. So the center of mass x bar y bar equal to m sub y, which is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 over 18, the total mass, m sub x, which is 26 from what we computed, over 18. The first expression cannot be reduced. The second fraction can be reduced, which is 13 over 9. Hope this video helps.